good day, all of you. John Henderson Pierre, the Beverage Ramble, back again with you. Today, we're looking at Ghost Train Light Lager. We have the craft lager. Now we have the lighter version of their craft lager. 99 calories. It states on here 3.9% ABV is the on this. Of course, Ghost Train Brewery, based in, I did have it here the other day, yep, Birmingham, Alabama. I've had another Alabama product. I've had their Ghost Train IPL, Switchman's Indian Pale Lager, and I had, of course, their flagship beer, the Ghost Train Craft Lager. So, 99 calories, it states in here. Ghost Train Brewery makes a beer for those who love spirit of craft. Okay. Again, this is a light lager. Drink it cold, drink it now. In terms of making light beer taste like light beer, where it's not watery, it is water, but basically have a little more flavor into it, and is good for your body. 99% calories. So here's what the beer looks like. It's been a very windy kind of day here. Mardi Gras season is in full effect, as you can tell right now. Take a walk a little bit. I'm probably going to walk a good while. So, nice day. Yeah, I've had this. It was in the freezer for a little bit. Took it out. Got it set on the table for a while. You know, good. Let it kind of break away some of the feel, but I know it's really extremely ice cold right now. So, very murky, very cloudy, as you can see. Some hops into this, not much. 5 grams of carbs as well. As I mentioned, the brewery is based in Birmingham, one of many breweries in Birmingham. I know there's that one. There's Good People. There's Avondale as well, and I think there's another called Brothers Brewing, which is one of the largest African American owned breweries in the state of Alabama. I think the largest one. I could be wrong, folks. So I tried one of their beers at this bar. I was in Calusa about 3 years ago. So it's been a while. Down the hatch. Not bad. I mean, it's nice. It's very crisp. Not too heavy, and it seemed to be the theme now. If you turn around with all these light beers that are coming out, I mean, not your traditional light beers that we've known, the Coors and the Busch Lights and the natural lights from the premium Michelob Ultras, but beers that are cutting back on the calories, or cutting back on the carbs as well. Everybody now, and from your son to your daughter to your grandparent to you name it, are all watching their carbs, their girlish figures, if you will. You know, girlish figure. Yeah. Just to make sure that they're not want to keep that nice, healthy, maintain that level of like, hey, I don't want to put a lot on me, on my body when I'm drinking beer. But a lot of these beers, I've always said, have, and even the craft breweries are noticing that too as well. I mean, like obviously Ghost Train and a few others. St. Archer, even though it's a Miller product, but it's pretending to be a craft beer company. It is a Miller company, St. Archer, are all looking at beers that maintain that market of like, hey, we understand you. I know you love beer, but you want to protect. You want to make sure that you're going to stay healthy and fit and maintain that nice healthy lifestyle. So we'll do something that's going to really help you. I'm here to help you. You're here to help me. I will help you help me. For me to help you. Motivational talk. You have potential. I see you. You have potential. You have the Geico Pinocchio commercial. Anyway, yeah, 99 calories. You know, you've seen all the brands I mentioned. Even Budweiser Select was also 99 calories. But with all this, again, for the budget-conscious beer people or personality, or whomever, like me, I want more bang for my buck. And I look at beers like Natty Light, Michelob Light, which was a great brand and seems to be slowly fading into beer heaven. Those brands seem to be going by the wayside, and they're not doubt they're going to be coming back anytime soon for reasons I don't know. But this goes for about like $10 for a 4-pack or 6-pack of this. That's a lot for something that's something that's supposed to be health conscious for you. 99 calories, but I'm sure they probably don't look at that. Some probably do, but they don't. But I'm sure they'll probably Ghost Train is probably saying, hey, this beer is better than the swill you buy, like Keystone Light or Natural Light or Busch Light, Old Milwaukee Light, or Coors Light, which is a premium, Michelob Ultra, which is premium to your budget basement. And that's where really all of it really kind of got started. When Michelob Ultra came on the scene in 2002 or 2005, several advertising, of course, we all know Mr. Bicycle, the American hero, Lance Armstrong, the American hero, promoting the beer of healthiness, and it's great. We were active, but we love beer, but we don't want to pack anything on. And that's what we've seen with this from the craft breweries, like many others like them, to Miller 64, to Budweiser Select 55, St. Archer now. All of these guys have all been trying to copy the success of Michelob Ultra, which is now, if you look at the books, I'm sure you won't look at the books, but that is by far Anheuser-Busch's most profitable brand of beer. Yes, it's an AB product, Michelob Ultra, and from the Ultra Gold to the Ultra itself to the Ultra Amber, that whole Ultra line is just raking, just printing money for Anheuser-Busch InBev. So, and they see it and they say, okay, we're going to listen to that market and we're going to go for it. We're going to make sure that we're going to put that kind of beer out there for you, consumer, to stay healthy. But folks don't really care. Probably don't. They say, hey man, I don't care. Is it cold? Great, pass it over to me. It's helping me wash down these hot wings that I'm eating, or this cheeseburger I just finished polishing off, or these chili fries or chili dog, whatever. So yeah, anyway, back to the beer. I'm blabbling on. Refreshing, crisp, nice, good. As I mentioned, Ghost Train, as the brewers I mentioned in Birmingham, and many of the beers here in the state of Alabama, I really are starting to get a good following. I've mentioned the name of the breweries. They're brewed here in the state. Folks are noticing, hey, Alabama is, hey, they got their stuff together, beer-wise. Only in beer. Other stuff, that's another video topic for another day. You know, we're gonna have a long time to talk about Alabama. But anyhow, I'm gonna go for the style. I think this is good. I think Ghost Train has a good thing going with this one. I'm going to give this a B+ for their Ghost Train Light Lager. A very refreshing beer, perfect any time of year. Obviously more for the spring and summer when when the weather is very warm or extremely brutally hot. But this is for the style. I think this is a good deal here. So I'm going to go with a B+. That would be an 8.7 score for Ghost Train Light Lager. John Henderson, Pierre the Beverage Ramble. To keep on watching, as always, cheers, live, laugh, and love. Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo, choo choo, choo choo, choo. Ghost Train Lager.